Pisses me off when that shit happens.
Oh, I hate that. You scar mess.
Just yanking stuff apart. Are you guys taking apart the exhaust right now?
Yeah.
We leave the headers on it. We drop the exhaust. Yeah, this one was back side.
We're gonna see that 13.
What is up, guys? It is the next day. Actually, way past the next day. It's actually like 5. Whoa, look at this sunset. It's so pink outside. Let me show you this real quick. Watch out. Now I'll take a quick picture real fast. Oh. Hi. Oh, I'll take a quick picture real fast because it'll render the light better for some reason. So, and most of the pinkness and cool stuff is already going away, but it's still pretty. Pretty much, I just wrapped up the end of A Day in the Life of an Unknown Producer, episode number 5, where I just jammed the hell out. If you want to see that, should be on the screen right now. I thought I'd wrap up the end of A Day in the Life number 5 with a good jam session. So that's exactly what I did. So go ahead and check out that jam session if you'd like. Right now, Chance and Zach are over at the garage doing their thing. As I said, I just finished up this jam session, and I'm about to load up my little mobile recording stuff and probably bring I'll leave my car over here. I'm gonna go over to the garage and see what they've done so far. We got the exhaust out last night, and what else on the side of the exhaust? I'm sure they've taken some stuff apart. We're just yanking stuff apart here, so I got everything loaded up. Got the kufi. Gotta close that door. Shit. Let's see. Hopefully I don't fall. Okay. I did it. Alright. So, let's go ahead and walk over there and see what they're up to. Look at the Teggy. For some reason, this car looks way beefier in person to me. I don't know. When I see it on camera, it's like, nah, that's not what I'm seeing right now in person. Cameraman arrived.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, Kevin, man.
hi.
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 What are you doing?
Just
Why are you doing it?
wrapped up that jam session. I was dying for a second.
You strapped it up.
Wrapped it up. Wrapped it up and like spit loogies on it. Huh?
I hear you destroying that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sounded pretty good.
Thank you. I got fucking tired, dude. I was like, oh my god. For a second, I had to come outside. It got really hot in that room for a second. I was like,
Fucking windows.
I'm fucking
yeah.
tired, too.
Dude, I was like, oh my gosh.
I'm tired of shit too.
You guys missed the sunset. It was like insane and pink.
Oh, no, I see it.
Oh, you seen it? Cool.
Oh, I was wondering why the fuck is this fucker moving right now? Oh my god.
Originally red, apparently. What are you guys doing?
Fuck, I ran over there.
Pop you shit off so I can get the
Oh! Something tweaked in my neck.
Alright, so we just finished wiring up the spoiler brake light. Oh, holy shit. That's awesome. It has usage now. Instead of just being a light that's just sitting there. I got this for 20 bucks. This is so clean. I don't think this is OEM either. Got it off an Integra though. What I really want to see is how that little... That's where we wired it. This motherfucker's dead. But yeah, we just got something wired up. Clean little LED. Just chilling there, nonchalant. Just chilling there. I like that. We got a clean ass switch. Oh my god. Just look at that. Just... How about that? You just look at that. Helps with groceries and stuff to like whatever the case. Oh god. Thank you.
If anything, it's easier to stand on going fast and slow.
So we're about to do some crazy shit. Just did some crazy shit. So pretty much we're on the back of this whole thing of rubber mat that's being pulled from the SUV and we're like standing on top of it surfing and shit. Alright, let me make sure I'm recording.
You are.
Am I?
It's recording. Yeah.
Recording camera's right in there.
Alright, go ahead and start going.
Yeah, go ahead and kill the slack. Camera's standing pretty still.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty quick.
Oh shit!
He just took off. No, he took off and towards the trees. Shit, he's fast.
Chasing foxes. This is our fox chasing machine 3000.
The Fox Chaser 3000.
Fox Chaser 3000. Yeah. That was pretty fucking intense.
Alright.
It's gotta be a little sketchy.
Oh, sketchy as fuck, dude.
But it's fucking awesome.
Fuck. Watch the ground as much as you can.
Yeah, that's what I'm
I don't want to like.
God.
Shit! Oh shit! This is sketchy. This is shit we do in Florida, I tell you what! Woo! Yeah! I got grass burn! We got a man down! You good?
The ground caught my shoulder on the side and it just like took it.
I want to see what it looks like from like another view. This is fun, dude. This is intense as fuck.
I bet, man.
I want to see what this looks like. I promise it's Your camera ain't shit. Rest in peace.
Here, I'll hold it.
Still recording?
Oh, sure, here.
Sometimes I like unfocused.
like
No,
the-
that's my focus.
Honestly, I didn't think it was that. I thought I picked up a stick at first.
Knocked it out of focus. Every time I drop it or something, it knocks it out of focus. I gotta restart it. Bella's finding a fox. She's actually going in the hole. Look at her butt just sticking out. Got him. She's like, she looks all sad and upset. Like, why'd you do that to me?
She got the fuck out.
I scare you.
This orange almost done it. Yeah. This fucking cow almost done it. Oh shit, dude. Where am I?
It's just a baby cow. I don't know the proper term for a baby cow. What are they called?
Cat?
Calf. Come on, you can do it. It's like, come on, dude, it's okay. Come on over. Just walk through, you pussy. Walk around. We gonna play this game right now? This is what's going on? Okay. He's like, no, no, I can play this game too. It's like, honey, come on, come back over. He's like, no, I don't wanna.
Watch me go back to the house. Come back out here. All this cows running.
Start hanging out over here. Your properties are getaways, Zach. Yeah, I'm sure they can get through on their own. Cleaning up the garage. Moving the stang. So we cleaned the garage out, and this door is actually usable. It's so clean. I gotta finish my valve cover business with the light. Everything's all clean. It's actually clean. Yeah, there's just a little bit, like over here by the door, maybe out there. Still some stuff to clean up. I mean, there's a lot that got done yesterday. Just cleaned a lot. It's coming along. Got the valve cover off of my B18 over here, and swapping it over onto my B20. Chance is gonna paint my B20 valve cover.
Yes.
With some wheel paint, just for the fuck of it. I want some engine enamel that looks exactly like this. This exact blue. Zach's letting me use his cold air intake. So far, the idle has gone away, which is kind of crazy. But then again, we look at the old air intake. We put a flashlight through it, and you could see nothing but tons of holes. It was full of dirt. I saw it. I swapped the B18 back in, so you can tell. It works fine. I was just kidding. It's not broken. Got that ground strap. That adds 10 horsepower right there. This adds about 15. That cam cap. Oh boy.
Put one underneath there to push it up to that a little bit. And then I have to change my grip up here.
Getting there. Alright, so this is like our 5th day here. I think, if not that, then the 4th. But we've been here for a while. Just working and working and working. Getting tons of stuff done. It's awesome. I got a lot done with the Teggy. Definitely got a lot done with the Beamer. You see this light right here? This thing freaking shocked me. I touched it right there and I was just like, eee! Anyways, there is lots to come with this beautiful Mustang in the near future. I promise you that. Obviously, lots to come with this BMW. Full engine and tranny is out. I'm not sure what vlog 3 will be, but we will definitely find out here soon. I'm not sure when he plans on taking off the transmission, but he's going to take the two apart and pretty much just work on his engine. Pretty much just take everything apart and replace everything. Everything's all clean. The Z got her first bath yesterday. It's awesome. First bath in a while anyways. So, lots to come with this thing. Lots to come with the BMW. Lots to come with the Mustang. Lots to come with the Teggy. I mean, look, even this tractor, even that truck back there. There's lots to come from this property. I plan on vlogging all of it, so definitely stay tuned. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching BMW vlog number 2, where we actually got the engine and tranny pulled. I'll admit I didn't do that much. I was kind of working on the side, like working on the tag, working around the shop, cleaning stuff up and whatnot, helping them on the side with the BMW, but that was mostly Chance and Zach working on that shit. They pulled it pretty quick too. And as you can see when we started the vlog, it was me and Zach pulled into it a little bit, took off the air intake valve cover, all the little stuff. We already got it started pulling harnesses and hoses and stuff. You can see whenever we started the vlog, the whole radiator support, everything, the whole bumper and everything was already taken off. So we were already like a quarter way done. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for BMW vlog number 3 and a day in the life of an unknown producer. Number 5. What else? Camaro vlog number 4 should be coming along here soon. Same with Integra vlog number 10. So I'm always doing a whole bunch of stuff when it comes to vlogging. And like I said, we got a lot of projects around here. There's lots to come. So thanks for watching our crazy little shenanigans and stay tuned. Peace.